Now move a little out.
What do you have on your head? What do you have on your head? It's a hat?
Hat.
That's a hat? That's a Dolly's dress. This is my daughter Deborah, and she decided she's going to wear a doll's dress on her head as a hat. She walked into the living room like this.
A hat? Come. Hat. Come. Oh.
Hi, say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Baba.
Deborah. What's your name?
Baba.
Deborah. Who's that?
Baba.
Deborah. Hey.
Hands up tonight.
Oh, stop it.
Film it. Hello. No, you're not dragging me again. No. No, yeah, really. No.
Bye, Deborah.
She's going to do this. What? She's going to do this.